All right, guys, so in today's video I'm just going to run you through a couple of new upgrades that we've made to the AutoChimp quad camera system. So anyone out there that's wanting to add cameras to the factory screen or any aftermarket screen, this is going to be the module that you want to do it. What we've done is actually upgraded compatibility so it works with all types of different video formats. So now it'll actually work with NTSC, PAL, factory reverse cameras such as the factory Toyota ones or any factory Isuzu ones or any other vehicle out there, to allow you to add extra cameras to the screen and turn them on anytime that you want. So what we do is we supply these plug and play kits with switches like this, and you can actually mount front cameras, rear cameras, interior, side, whatever cameras you want, and you can actually turn them on whenever you like. So this is turning on the rear camera here, so you can actually use this even while you're driving to see behind you, which is really great on some of these LandCruisers or some of these bigger cars. Or if you wanted to check your trailer, you could turn on your trailer, see behind you and check all that while you're driving. Go back to your reverse camera or front camera, whichever you like. So the cool thing about some of the new upgrades we've made on these is we've actually added a power source on these. So when you're plugging in cameras now through the RCA input, you can actually power your cameras directly from these ports. So when you activate the channel, so when we turn on this channel, channel 2, for example, it would actually power out the camera as well. This just saves you a lot of time. It makes installation really easy. Anyone can do it, completely plug and play in that regard as well. And what we've also released is plug and play harnesses across the range for all the different Toyotas, whether it be the new Hiluxes, 70 series, Prado, LandCruisers, whatever you want. And they're all color coded, so really easy to use. So we've built this to be simple DIY stuff. We've got a massive channel on YouTube which shows you how to install this and pull the cars apart, making it really easy for you. And everything's color coded, so as you do your installation, it really is that simple. You can put it in about probably 15 minutes. In fact, I can even show you an installation as we go here, or I can even pull it apart. Actually, let's have a quick look. Yeah, so this is our sample vehicle. So this is my personal vehicle. But the way it works is like this. It literally T-pieces into the back of your stereo. So it just comes with that T-piece, plugs in, runs through here, and you can see it here mounted at the back. So I'll just pull it out so you can see it actually working. And this is how it works. You've just got the T-piece harness that plugs in, powers up through here. That's your integration. And it takes the factory reverse camera feed and it allows you to add any extra cameras you want into it, and it feeds it back out to the stereo. So these are all the cameras that we've got coming in. So we've got all our AutoChimp cameras. We've got heavy duty cameras that just come through. They're completely plug and play. They come into these little connectors, straight into RCA, and there's the power connector for the video as well. So that's how the cameras will be connected. Simple, plug and play, really easy to do, really neat and tidy. And then we've got a little switch harness here. So this would run over here. We run it down to the bottom and we provide those switches, and they come through into a splitter like this. And they plug in, simple like that. And you can have any configuration that you want. So yeah, that's how it works, guys. Anyway, that's how easy the installation would be. So I apologize. I wasn't actually going to make an installation video for this, but it turned out very easy to show you. But this is the normal reverse. It doesn't interfere with your normal reverse. That'll work like normal. We provide these with 3 years warranty, completely plug and play, so it won't interfere with anything on your Toyotas. And they're available now at autochimpelectronics.com.